At least I use good gaskets. How do you guys tell? How do I know my gasket has the metal shim in the middle? Yeah, brand new. Forged pistons too. Holy crap, they got forged pistons in there. I did not expect that. I didn't expect to have forged pistons in it. I didn't expect that. Wow, look at that. I say Mondelo on everything. Fight back with the word, baby. Look at that, look right there. Brand new rods. You see the forged pistons in there? Man. Wonder why they did that. Why did they do something so nice and then do some like other stuff on there? That's crazy to me. Why would they do that? Like use forged pistons in there. Brand new pump, brand new pickup. Yeah. I'm excited. I'm excited about that.